Hey, everybody. Good morning. Bon dia, goedemorgen. Welcome, bombini. Ta esa kita a big live nature quiz. This is the big live nature quiz Kids edition, and my name is Meritza Hakmat, and we're super excited that I can be your host once again for the big live nature quiz. Hopefully by now everybody is set. They can hear us, they can see us, everybody is on the Menti. The teams are ready to go, okay? The teams are ready to go. So we're super excited. We didn't have much time that we can go through the things again, but don't worry, we're gonna do it one more time. And I'm coming to you live and direct from the island of Bonaire. Now, the theme for the quiz this time around is marino, di lamang. See, di lamang. So everything that has to do with the sea, turcos kuting di haber ku e mundo fantástico di lamang. E tur pregunta ta saka for the Bio Kids News, a third edition. See, ta akideng tur e pregunta ta saka for the dus turcos ko bos namin sa di e quiz aki takideng. So everything that you kids need to know with regards to this quiz, you read it and you studied it in the Bio News Kids third edition, because this is also the theme of this edition of Bio Kids News. Now, before we continue, rapidamente, one more time, I want to make sure that everybody is logged in. So let's just go over the instructions very quickly one more time to make sure that everybody is okay, all right? So your team, by now, you're registered, okay? By now, everybody is registered. And remember, you have to answer on your phone or your tablet, okay? So the teams have to answer on the phone or tablet, okay? So make sure that you only look at your phone to answer the questions, okay? And this part is also important with regards to the teachers, okay? For the Zoom, so make sure that the teachers make sure that you're in speaker view. Okay, so you're in speaker view, and hopefully this helps out Meneer Piet, Docente Piet in Aruba. Make sure that you're on speaker view. Your camera must be on to be able to see me, but if you don't have a camera, as long as you can hear also, that's very important, okay? Because we have some video questions, and if you want subtitles, it's important that you click on which subtitles you want. And importante, make sure that your microphone is on mute, okay? So everybody, we do like Beyonce, look around, everybody on mute. So that's what we're gonna be doing today, okay? And for what we're gonna continue, for the kids, now you guys are well prepared, because I know, and it's a closed book questions, because really you guys won't have any time to go in here. So all of the stuff that you need to know for the quiz is in here, and you can get extra points. Remember, extra points. I know you guys are smart, you kids are smart, but you get extra points for being the fastest. Why? Because speed counts, okay? So speed counts. Rapidez ta konta, mucha nang rapidez ta konta, so you get extra points, all right? So now, everybody should be registered in Menti, and I want to do a roll call. So I'm going to pop you guys up on the screen, and make sure you wave at me, okay? Make sure I want to see you guys waving. All right? Mike miraboso. Okay, let's go. Roll call. Noso kumisa ku Aruba. Hey, Aruba! Nosta akinang Bonaire. Hey, Bonaire! Corso drin tapami. Arriba Corso, riba Corso. Corso, mamirahabu Corso. Now let's go up to the islands, the 3S. Corso kumbay. Let's go up to the 3 S's. Okay, let's go to Sunshine City, St. Martin. Hi, St. Martin. Hey! Nice. Let's go to St. Eustatius, the Golden Rock. Hey, Stacia. Now let's go to Hey, Stacia. Hey, girls. Hey, look at you guys. And And Saba, of course, mwah, the unspoiled queen. Hi, Saba. Nice to see you guys. All right. So now everybody is ready. And we want to thank you also to the parks, because without the parks on all 6 of the Dutch Caribbean islands, we would not be able to do this. Dus mi kera agradecita ambe tour e parque ng ku ayuda Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance ku e quiz e pregunta nanti e quiz for helping out with this. All right? So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. We're ready. Let's go to question number 1. This is a test question so that you guys can get a feel of how the Menti will be working and how the quiz will work. Okay? Ito un test, un pregunta di prueba, pero ita conta. Okay? You get that extra from Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance for participating in the quiz. Okay? Now let's go to our first question, which is the test question. What is the color of the sea? Is it A, blue? Is it B, pink? Is it C, orange? Or is it D, yellow? Go. And the answer is A. The color of the sea is blue. So if you got that correct, good luck, good job, good job. So that is how the rest of the questions are going to be. So you got that. If you got it right, you got an extra point. If you were fast, you got an extra point. Okay, so remember speed counts, so make sure you're the fastest. We know you guys are the smartest, but make sure you're the fastest. Okay, so now we are ready to rock and roll with the Big Live Nature Quiz Kids Edition. Let's go. Question number 2. Which islands form the Dutch Caribbean? Is it A, St. Eustatius, Bonaire, Aruba, or Saba? Is it B, Curacao, St. Martin, Saba, Guadeloupe, and Bonaire? Is it C, St. Martin, Martinique, St. Eustatius, Aruba, and Curacao? Or is it D, Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, Saba, St. Eustatius, and St. Martin? Get that answer, kids. And the answer is D. Aruba, Bonaire, Curacao, Saba, St. Eustatius, and St. Martin. Alrighty. Now remember, kids, the name and the theme of this year is marine. Okay, so it's the same thing. Remember what marine means? Turcos di lamang, everything that has to do with the sea. Alright? So right now we're going over to Curacao because we have a video question for you, and listen very well to his question.
Hi. My name is Kellen Filbert, and I work at Kamabi as a marine park ranger. I have a question for you. How much of our planet is covered in water?
So in case you missed Kevin's question, how much of our planet is covered in water? Is it A, 25%? Is it B, 50%? Is it C, 75%? Or is it D, so little you can hardly measure it? Get that answer. And the answer is C, 75%. Wow, that is a lot of water. And there's like 240,000 species of plants and animals in our oceans. But, you know, the scientists say there may be like 7 times more. Okay, so sticking on the theme of the marine, let us go to question number 4. What is a national marine park? Is it A, a water park with a lot of slides? Is it B, a zoo for plants and animals living in the water? Is it C, a park where you can learn about underwater magical species? Or is it D, areas in the water where special rules apply to protect underwater life? Get that answer, kids. Be the fastest, be the smartest. And the answer is D, areas in the water where special rules apply to protect underwater life. Yes, kids, it's unfortunate that a lot of our underwater plants and species are endangered. That's why it's very important that we have marine parks all around our Dutch Caribbean, and our marine parks are doing a great job. Great job. All right. Now, let's go up to Sunshine City, St. Martin, for St. Martin Nature Foundation, because they also have a question for you.
Hi everybody, my name is Sabrine and I'm the project coordinator for the Coastal Resilience and Needs Assessment Project at the Nature Foundation St. Martin. As you all might know, sea turtles are coming ashore to nest on our beaches this time of year. So the question I have for you today is, which species of sea turtle does not nest on our island?
Okay, thank you, Sabrina. Now, in case you missed the question, pay attention, kids. This is a tricky one. Which sea turtle does not live around our islands? Is it A, the green sea turtle? Is it B, the flatback turtle? Is it C, the hawksbill turtle? Or is it D, the leatherback turtle? Get that answer. And the answer is B, the flatback turtle. So the flatback turtle does not live around our islands. There's 7 species of sea turtles in the world, and 5 of them live around our island in the waters, but the flatback turtle is not one of them. Okay, I think that you guys should know after the first 5 questions who is in the lead. I know it's early, but still, early wins the race. Let's take a look at the leaderboard and see who is leading so far. All right, so far, Galia Aruba. Yes, Galia Aruba is in the lead. And then after we have Ocean Queens and Groep 7 Bay Uno Boneiro. But, the Mompies Dos, the Aruba. See, the Mompies Dos of Aruba, man, they are fast. They're the fastest. Okay, so they're the fastest. All right, so that will give you a little idea of how, hey, this is a close race. Wow, you guys are great. You guys are great. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Now let's continue. I'm super excited. Let's go on to this next question, and we go up to Seba for this one.
Song, I work for SCF as a park officer. As you probably read in BioNews, there are some threats to sea turtles. So my question for you guys is, what are some threats to sea turtles?
Okay, in case you missed Tom's question, and kids, you read about this in the BioNews Kids 3rd edition. What are some of the threats to turtles? Okay, eating too much seagrass. B, taking too long naps on the beaches. C, playing hide and seek with dolphins. D, getting caught in fishing nets and eating plastic. Okay, get that answer. And the answer is D, getting caught in fishing nets and eating plastic. Yes, kids, because when they see the plastic, it sort of looks like a jellyfish or something that they can eat. And there is where the trouble comes in. Let's go on to our next question, because we got to keep it moving along so that you guys can stay focused and fast. 7, which one of these answers will not protect sea turtles from consuming plastics? Is it A, the use of reusable bags, B, the use of biodegradable straws, C, throw candy packaging in nature, or D, throw lollipop sticks in the trash can? Get that answer. And the answer is C. Throw candy and packaging in nature will not protect the sea turtles from consuming plastic. Okay, let's keep it moving. Let's go on to our next question. Question number 8. Which fish is the biggest and the heaviest in the world? No, it's not me. Is it A, the sailfish? Is it B, the lionfish? Is it C, the whale shark? Or is it D, the great white shark? Be quick, get that answer. And the answer is C, the whale shark. Yes, it's the heaviest, but it's also one of the gentlest. Now, moving on from the heaviest, let's see who is the world's slowest. Let's get to the next question. Which of these animals moves the slowest? Is it A, the starfish? Is it B, the seahorse? Is it C, the sea turtle? Or is it D, the sea cucumber? Get that answer. And the slowest of them all is A, the starfish. Yes, this is C, is A stand. Hope is slow. It moves very, very slow, only 1 meter per hour. Can you imagine that, kids? Now, we have another video question for you. With this time, we're going to Stinapa for this question.
Hi everyone, Bombini na Bonaire. My name is Jilly and I'm an education officer at Sinapa. So when we go outside and spend time in nature, it's a wonderful opportunity to learn about everything around us. We get these beautiful trees, flowers, and animals in their natural home. But just like when you go visit a friend's house, there are some important rules to keep in mind. Let's call them golden rules. What is a golden rule when going outside and observing nature? Do you know the answer?
All right, in case you missed Jilly's question, what is a golden rule when going outside and observing nature? Is it A, be safe, so safety first? Is it B, respect nature? Is it D, do not leave anything behind? Or is it C, do not leave anything behind? Or is it D, all of the above? So A, B, and C. Get that answer, kids. And the answer is ratata, D, all of the above. So respect nature, do not leave anything behind, and safety first. All right, now let's take a look at the leaderboard because I want to see who is the fastest. We know the starfish was the slowest, but let's see who is the Oh my goodness, wow, it has really changed. So Galia Aruba is on top of the leaderboard, but they're also the fastest. Then they're followed by the 4 megalodons and of course Sleepy Clownfish St. Martin. They are in the top 3. See how quickly things can change? If you're fast, you're good. If you're smart, you're good. Now combine them and you're gonna be on the top of the leaderboard. All right, speaking on top of the leaderboard, let's go up from Bonaire. We're going up to St. Eustatius because we have another video question for you.
Hello from St. Eustatius. I am Axel Mitchell, the Education and Outreach Officer for the St. Eustatius National Parks Foundation. I'm so happy you could join us. Let's continue to have some fun. So garbage is anything that we no longer use. Think of a packaging that you take off your food, or you finish drinking from something, or you opened a phone case and you no longer need that packaging. So you look around for a litter or a garbage bin so that you can put it in there and not pollute the environment. But I have a question for you. What should you do with garbage when you cannot find a litter bin?
Hey, that's a loaded question, Aksa. Let's go. What should you do with garbage when you cannot find a litter bin? You A, take it home and throw it away there. B, you bury it in the soil so it cannot be blown away by the wind. C, throw it in the sea so the waves can bring it to the beach. Or is it D, leave it on the ground so that someone else can see it and throw it away for you? Get that question. All right, and the answer is A. Take it home and throw it away there. So if you got A, good answer, good answer. Now we're going to go up to Sunshine City, St. Martin, because they also have a video question for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Geert and I'm the intern at the Nature Foundation St. Martin for the Street Coast Monitoring Project. As you might know, some animals can change color to blend into the environment. This might be useful for them to hide from predators or to ambush prey. My question for you guys today is, what animal can change color the fastest? Good luck!
All right, kids, Geert is asking, which animal can change color the fastest? Is it A, the whale? Is it B, the octopus? Is it C, the ostracod? Or is it D, the spinner dolphin? Get that answer quick, kids. And the answer is ooh, the octopus. B, the octopus. Octopuses, they're so smart, you know, they're very, very smart. They're so smart. And you can read all about them in the BioNews Kids 3rd edition. Now, we have another question. We're staying on the video question. We're going back to AXA up there in Stacia.
Hello again from St. Eustatius. I am Axa Mitchell, the Education and Outreach Officer at the St. Eustatius National Parks Foundation. I am so proud of you all. Keep it up and let's continue enjoying this quiz. So we listen to many sounds on land. We listen to what our friends have to say, our teachers, and our parents. We use sound to speak to them. We even use sound to figure out which direction the ice cream truck is coming from. Underwater, sound is also very important. Are you ready for your question? Which animal can hear sounds underwater from the farthest distance?
Which animal can hear sounds underwater from the furthest distance? Is it A, a whale? Is it B, the octopus? Is it C, the ostracod? Or is it D, the spinner dolphin? And the answer is the whale. They can hear from the furthest distance. Yes, I know it was tricky because we had changing color and then we had who can hear in the furthest distance. That's why you guys need to be sharp, kids, because this is what it's all about. The whale can hear from the furthest distance, okay? And it's beautiful. Now, let's go to our next question. Question number 14. Now, which animal uses spins or movement to communicate? Is it A, the starfish? Is it B, the octopus? Is it C, the ostracod? Or is it D, the spinner dolphin? And the answer is D, the spinner dolphins. And the spinner dolphins, they look like they're having so much fun all the time, just jumping and playing with their friends and impressing us because they do a very good job. They look like they're having so much fun. They're up and they're spinning and they're having a wonderful time. So the spinner dolphin, yes, I know those questions were pretty tricky, but you guys are smart. So I know that you got the correct answer. So now let's go to Curacao because we have a video question for you.
Hi, my name is Tatiana van Stevenink and I'm a researcher and consultant at Karmabi Foundation on Curacao. I have a question for you and the question is, what is the plastic soup?
Plastic soup. This is not something that's going to make you hungry, folks. Is it A, a water game using plastic bottles? Is it B, an ocean creature made from plastic? Is it C, Caribbean soup made with plastic ingredients? Or is it D, an area in the ocean with a lot of plastic garbage floating around? Get that answer, kids. And the answer is an area in the ocean with a lot of plastic garbage floating around. Ew, that does not look very appetizing or appealing So this is something that we need to work on as Dutch Caribbean because it's also in our area, all right? Now let's take a look at the leaderboard. You want to see how you guys are doing? Who's the smartest? Who's the fastest? Who knows all about what's in the Bio Kids News 3rd edition? Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Oh my goodness. Galina, Aruba. They're in the lead. They're also the fastest. But hey, Hillside Sprouts, you guys are the second fastest. And in the second place, the Megalodons. But don't worry, a lot of things can change. A lot of things can change. All right, now back to the quiz. We're almost there, folks. We're almost there. Let's go to Sinapa because we have a video question.
Hi everyone, it's Jilly from Bonaire again. So, have you ever heard of a fish that is a master in disguise and deception? Well, there's a remarkable creature in the underwater world called a frogfish that does just that. These small, clever fish have a special trick up their fins to catch their food. How does a frogfish lure its prey?
Yes, the question is, how does the frogfish lure its prey? That you see a little picture of the frogfish right there. It does this by A, making frog sounds, quack quack, or ribbit ribbit. Quack quack is a duck. Is it B, using its long sticky tongue? Is it C, pretending they want to kiss the prey? Or is it D, they're using its spine that looks like a fishing rod with meat? Get that answer, kids. You know this one. And the answer is D. It uses its spine that looks like a fishing rod with meat. And these frogfish kids, I'm telling you, they are master of disguise. They can change color within a few seconds to match. If they were here, you would be able to see them because they would match the screen in the back. So they're masters of disguise, okay? And they even can disguise themselves as sea sponges, okay? So they're very smart. So they're like magic. They're like the Harry Potter of under the sea, all right? So now let's go to another question. Question number 17. What is coral made of? Is it A, underwater plants? Is it B, hardened lava and rocks? Is it C, tiny animals called polyps? Or is it D, tiny seashells glued together? And the answer is C, tiny animals called polyps. And of course, you know, the Dutch Caribbean, our 6 islands in the Dutch Caribbean, we are the home to some of the most beautiful coral in the world. So let's do our best to conserve them and make sure that they stay beautiful and we can continue to brag about our beautiful coral reefs. All right, let's go up now to the unspoiled queen of Saba because they also have another video question for you.
Hey everyone, my name is Ayumi Kuravai and I'm the Science Coordinator at the Saba Conservation Foundation. And for today, I have a question for you guys. What is not a reason why coral is important?
All right, so this is a tricky one. What is not a reason why coral is important? Is it A, it makes fruit that humans can eat? B, animals can find food on and around coral? C, it gives a home and shelter to many animals? Or is it D, it protects islands and people against big waves? So what is not a reason why coral is important? Get that answer, kids. Be careful. This is a tricky one. And the answer is A, it makes fruit that humans can eat. So this is not a reason why coral is important. And the other answers are legitimate reasons. Okay, so A is the correct answer. It makes fruit that humans can eat. Let's go on now to question number 19. We're moving nicely along. Now, what can you do, kids? What can you do to protect coral? Is it A, never touch coral? Is it B, wear reef-friendly sunscreen? Is it C, keep the sea clean by cleaning up your trash? Or is it D, answers A, B, and C? So all of the above. You know this one. Get that answer, kids. Be quick. Be smart. And the answer is D, all of the above. Okay, so you have to not litter, wear environmentally safe sunscreen, and just protect our coral. All right, now let's go to question number 20. Next question, please. Why is the earth heating up so fast, more than normal, in the last years? This is because A, people just eat more warm food. Is it B, because of the movements of the moon? Is it C, because people pump more CO2 into the air? Or is it D, because people plant more trees in their garden? Why is the earth eating up so fast, faster than normal? Get that answer, kids. And the answer is, it's because people are pumping more CO2 into the air, okay? Now, we're almost there, folks. I think we should take a look. Let's take a peek at the leaderboard. Let's take a peek. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness. Who is it? Okay, alrighty. Galia Aruba is still in the lead, followed by the Hillside Sprouts, followed by the Eagles, but Trimaring is now the fastest, and also the Giants. Giants are also the fastest, okay? So we're gonna keep it moving. We gotta keep it moving. We got a few more. Things can change. Let's go now to our next question. Which ocean animal stores the most CO2 in its body? Is it A, the shark? Is it B, the whale? Is it C, the parrotfish? Or is it D, the manta ray? Get that answer, kids. And the answer is B, the whale. Yes, the whales, and they have something very interesting. You can check it out in Bio Kids, because the way that they eat and then they poop and then the plankton, it just takes care. They do their part with regards to CO2, and we as people also need to do our part, okay? So let's move on to our question number 22. Our white beaches are made of A, parrotfish poop, B, dried fish scales, C, sparkling crystals, or D, shredded coconut shells. Get that answer, kids. And the answer is A. Yes, it's parrotfish poop. Interesting. We've been like rolling around and running in parrotfish poop, but it's good poop because it's very beautiful. And many of our islands, we can boast that we have some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. Let's get on to our next question. Parrotfish help protect corals by A, eating plastic, B, singing songs, C, building rock walls, or D, eating harmful algae. Get that answer, kids. And the answer is D, by eating the harmful algae. Let's get on to question number 24. We're almost there. We're rounding the bend. Question 24. Which is the adult of this baby fish? So which one is the mommy and the daddy, okay? Or the aunties or the uncles? The adults. Is it A, the blue tang? Is it B, the French angelfish? Is it C, the stoplight parrotfish? Or is it D, the blue-headed wrasse? Okay, so you see the fish on the screen. So which one? This is the baby. Now which one is the mommy and the daddy? Okay, get that answer. And the answer is B. So the French angelfish is the mommy, the daddy, the auntie, the grandpa, the grandma of this little baby fish. So B is the answer. Folks, we're at our last question. You can do this. You can do this. You got this, kids. Are you ready for the last question? We are ready for the last question because in the end, this one will determine who is the final winner. All right? So all the points counted. Remember, be smart, be fast. Let's get the last question. Which fish swims the fastest? Is it A, the marlin? Is it B, the wahoo? Is it C, the flying fish? Or is it D, the hammerhead shark? Get this, kids, get it. You know this one. You got it. And the answer is ta-da-da-da, A, the marlin. Yes, the marlin fish swims the fastest. Kids, that was it for our Big Live Nature Quiz edition for this November 2023. Before we give you who the winner is and show you the leaderboard, we would like to appreciate so much thanks. We would like to thank all of the parks. Yes, all of the parks that were so helpful in getting these answers. So we want to give you a big thank you to the parks, and we also want to thank Dutch Caribbean TV. We have our thank yous that you can see. We want to thank Dutch Caribbean TV. We also want to thank Digicel and all of the parks. You can see them right there on your screen. Masha danki, dankjewel, obrigado, merci beaucoup. In all of the language, we would like to thank you guys all so much. We would like to thank the teachers also for preparing our students for today. And we would like to thank all of you that participated. Hey, you guys are smart, you guys are fast, and of course, you guys know about this third edition of the Bio Kids News, where we have the theme marine. So everything that has to do with under the ocean or in the sea, all right? Now, director, tell me, are we ready to see who the winner is? Ah! And the winner is Galia Aruba. Yay! Galia Aruba, pa bien, pa bien. Oh my goodness, I see you guys. You guys are having so much fun over there. Aruba, Galia Aruba. And to check for me, director, check for me, Galia Aruba is from which school? Check for me. Wag pa mi. Elista. Check Elista. See. Yes. And Galia Aruba, if you won, I want to see you jumping. Galia Aruba. We want to see you jumping. Yes. Yay! Oh my goodness, yeah. Now let's see. Let's see which school they're from. Okay, there's the teacher. Galia Aruba. Bon dia.
Hola.
Yes, tell us the name of your school.
Colegio San Jose.
Colegio San Jose. Galia Aruba, you guys are the winners. Masha. Pa bien. Now remember, folks, hope you great. Danke, juffrouw. Kuba prepara emucha ng asinabong that you prepared our students so well. And we know that not even if they didn't win, the other teams, the other islands, you guys now are official, that you guys can help us protect our nature and conserve our nature, okay? Now, we have everybody that participated because there's some great prizes. Galia Aruba, of course, you guys are the overall winner, but there will be prizes for each individual island. Who were the smartest, who were the fastest. But in the end, we know that everybody wins because we are protecting our nature. And we'd like to thank Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance for organizing this quiz every year for our students. Hi to the team, hi to the translators, and of course, thank you to the team of Dutch Caribbean Television. And you guys need to hang out on the Facebook page and the website of Dutch Caribbean Nature Alliance because you guys will get to see yourself and how you did on the quiz because we're going to have a repeat in 2 weeks so you can see yourself and how you did on the quiz, okay? My name is Meritza Hakmat, and for me, it's been so much fun. I learned so much. Ciao! Bye!
The Big Life Nature Quiz, Kids Edition 2023, is sponsored and presented by Ministerie van Landbouw, Natuur en Voedselkwaliteit en de Nationale Postcode Loterij.